Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 9th October 2024. We'll be diving into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here doesn't represent our opinions, but is a reflection of news items in public media. First up, we have a story about SpaceX's Starlink service, which has been offered to communities affected by Hurricane Helene. While initially presented as a free service for 30 days, it turns out that users must still purchase the necessary hardware, costing nearly $400. This has led to frustration among residents who expected genuine humanitarian aid. Critics have labeled the offer as a bait-and-switch, exploiting the desperation of hurricane victims. Musk acknowledged challenges in delivering terminals due to temporary restrictions on aircraft landings. Critics argue that the offer seems more like a marketing strategy than a genuine effort to assist those in need. Next, we turn to Brazil, where the Supreme Court has reinstated Elon Musk's social media platform, X, after a month-long shutdown. The shutdown was due to disputes over free speech and misinformation. Musk had criticized the Brazilian justice system, but ultimately complied with the court's demands, including blocking certain accounts and paying fines. X's user base in Brazil is significant, and the company has expressed its commitment to providing access while adhering to legal boundaries. The situation reflects broader tensions between social media companies and governments. In another development, Elon Musk has faced criticism for allegedly using Twitter to promote Donald Trump, raising concerns about election interference. Critics argue that Musk's actions contradict his claims of political neutrality, as he has transformed the platform into a pro-Trump campaign tool. This has sparked outrage and discussions about the ethical responsibilities of social media platforms. The situation raises questions about free speech and the role of social media in politics, especially as the 2024 election approaches. Finally, we revisit the Brazilian Supreme Court's decision to ban X, formerly known as Twitter, due to Musk's failure to comply with court orders. The ban followed conflicts between Musk and the Brazilian government, including an investigation into potential obstruction of justice. After X complied with court orders, the Supreme Court announced that ISPs should unblock access to X. However, the process involves notifying around 20,000 ISPs, which may delay the platform's return to full functionality in Brazil. The ongoing saga highlights tensions between social media companies and national regulations. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more news on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Stay informed and take care.